There are many techniques in Photoshop when it comes to making selections. Lasso tools, quick selection tool and pen tool. These are used for making manual selections. But the privilege of using Photoshop is that we have got subject selection tool and object selection tool, and they do the magic with just a click. Let's understand it here. We have an image and here we have a subject in this image. To automatically select this subject, we will first select the layer and then go to select and then go to subject. The program has done the wonders and it has selected a subject automatically. We will press Ctrl J to take it on another layer, and let's see the quality of the selection. Now if we use object selection tool, we will go to fourth in the list, this tool. Click and hold and select object selection tool. In object selection tool, we have to specify an area. We have specified the area around this model and see the selections. Now take another example. In this image, we have many birds. If we go to select and go to subject selection tool, we will have the selection of all the birds. But in case we want just the selection of this bird, we would go to object selection tool and then specify our area like this, and we will have the selection of this bird. Selections can be made by making a rectangle or by freehand or lasso tool like this. So this is how object selection tool works. Take another example. After selecting this image, if I have to select all the subjects, I would go to select and then go to subject, and let's see the results. All the subjects have been selected here. Press Ctrl J to take them to another layer and see the result. But in case I have to select just this one, I would go to object selection tool. Then I can use any of the modes, lasso mode or rectangle. I would take rectangle and specify the area, and I have got my subject selected. Ctrl J to take it on another layer and see the result. So this is the difference between subject selection tool and object selection. That's it for this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel and ask any valid question in the comments. Thank you so much.